That's the thing about owning a Jeep. You're out having fun. Dirty feet, brand new carpet, it's always dirty. But we can fix that. Floor liners by Rugged Ridge in today's Northridge 4x4 do-it-yourself garage. Stay tuned. Now we already know that Rugged Ridge makes these beautiful deep dish all-weather floor mats for the JL. I mean, they're awesome. They fit perfect. Oh wait, we got a JT. I bet you these will fit. First step, let's get the old floor mats out, get this thing clean, then we'll put these in. First step is get the factory floor mats out of there. Just pop them up off their locking tabs. Grab the mat out. Now it's time for the shop vac. To install the Rugged Ridge floor liner, we're just going to slide it in and then pop the locks up through these holes. Now prepping the back seat floor area, exact same as the front. Pull the carpeted liners out, get the shop vac in here, get it ready for the rear liner. Take a T40 Torx bit. Let's take a look and see what's under this box. And we take the JL rear floor liner and it drops right in. The big difference is that the locks are in different spots on the JT than it is on the JL. So these mats don't just bolt right down. But now let's see if we can get that box back in there. Well, it looks like we might have to do a little trimming right here. So there you have it. Rugged Ridge floor liners for the back of a JL in a JT. Sure, we could wait a little bit longer and get the exact specific model, but we'd rather just protect the carpets now. We could always swap in the specific JT model when it comes out. Until then, hey, we're covered. So that's it for today. Thanks, Northridge Nation.